What if one simple AI workflow could replace 10 hours of work every single week? No coding. No complex tools. No hiring more people. Just a smarter way to use AI. Most people never discover this. And that's why they stay busy all day but never move faster. Here's the truth. The problem is not AI tools. And it's not the lack of features. The real problem is how people use AI. Most users treat AI like a quick helper. They ask one question, get one answer, and move on. That feels productive. But it's actually the slowest way to use AI. Because AI was never designed to work in isolated tasks. It was designed to run systems. Look at a normal workday. Emails, messages, reports, planning, follow-ups. You constantly switch context. Each switch costs focus. Each interruption costs energy. By the end of the day, you feel exhausted. Not because the work was hard, but because it was fragmented. This is where most people fail. They use AI to save minutes. Instead of redesigning how the work gets done, AI becomes powerful when it owns the entire workflow. Not one step. Not one task. The full process. From planning, to execution, to refinement. That's the difference between using AI and working with AI. And this shift alone is what replaces hours of work. This AI workflow has 3 parts. First, clarity. You define the outcome. One clear result. No ambiguity. Second, structure. You ask AI to create a repeatable framework. A system you can reuse. Third, execution. You feed the data. AI does the heavy lifting. You review and adjust. That's it. No fancy tools. No complicated setup. Just a smarter flow. Let's say you create weekly reports. Most people do this manually. Every single week. Instead, you ask AI, create a weekly performance report structure for a remote operations team. Then you reuse that structure. Each week, you simply say, summarize this data using the same report format. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Another example. Planning tasks for the week. Instead of writing lists manually, you ask AI, create a weekly priority plan based on urgency and impact. Then you refine. AI plans. You decide. The thinking time disappears. Only decisions remain. That's real productivity. This workflow saves time. Reduces mental fatigue. Creates consistent results. AI stops being a toy. And starts acting like a silent team member. Doing the boring work in the background. Most people keep testing AI tools. Very few build AI workflows. That's why some people feel busy, while others move faster every week. Now you know the difference. Subscribe to Tech Secrets, AI Tools. Link in the description.